your friend. I'll help you carry on. It won't be long. I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. 'Cause we all need somebody to lean on. Well, I might have a problem that you'll understand, 'cause we all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on.